Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Marissa. Welcome. I am so happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the one, the only Kenzzi at-home laser hair remover. I have been waiting for this for so long to come in, and finally it is here. Since we are all at home, what better way to prepare for summer than to get rid of unwanted hair? Ladies, that bikini line no mas. Men, you want that bare, beautiful, smooth chest? Laser hair removal is the way to go, and I cannot wait to crack this open and get it started. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you a little bit of my experience when it comes to laser hair remover and why I decided to go for an at-home laser hair removal system. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for you guys and a first impression. So let's see if this bad boy works. As always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe before you leave. Let's get into this video, you guys. Okay, so when it comes to laser hair removal, I love it. I wish that it would have been introduced to me sooner in life because shaving and waxing was hell. It still is. I don't like it. I'm done with it. I'm tired of the stubble. I'm tired of the 5 o'clock shadow, having to shave the next day when I just shaved the day before. It's not cute. It's not cute at all. Laser hair removal has been amazing for me, especially having dark hair. I was introduced to laser hair removal about 7 years ago, and I've been doing it off and on ever since I moved to LA. So a little bit about my experience when it comes to laser hair removal and why I decided to choose an at-home system. It ultimately comes down to about 3 things for me. 1, my time. 2, my comfort. And 3, my money. I struggle with time. I don't know about anybody else. I feel like maybe it's a Latin thing that I'm always late, but also my schedule, it's just always up and down. With laser hair removal, I like to go in and just schedule everything at once. Hair varies in different areas, so the growth may be more in one area than the other. Eventually end up scheduling your appointments off one another, about 4 to 6 weeks. Something always came up for me. Always. I would try to make another appointment. Unfortunately, they would already be booked for that next month. So trying to find a time to come in was really hard. If there was a cancellation, they'd give me a call, but more times than not, I wasn't able to come in. So I ended up sometimes not even going back for months, and then I would end up making an appointment again, but the hair would be so off. It's just like, really? So when it comes to doing an at-home system, I wanted to do it on my time. Be able to do it whenever I wanted, however I wanted, and not have to worry about messing my schedule up, somebody else's schedule up. It just didn't work out for me schedule and time-wise. Next thing is comfort. It is a very intimate thing depending on what area of your body you decide to laser. And so being able to go in and be comfortable, not only with yourself, but the person that's doing your treatment is very, very important. I've never had a bad experience when it comes to that. It's always been a great experience, but every time I would reschedule, I wanted to have the same person every time, because when you find someone that you really like and you like their style and their patience, it makes for a more enjoyable experience. Most of the time when I would go in, I would have a different person every time. Also, I don't know why, but every single time I would schedule my freaking laser appointment, it would be on that beautiful time of the month that us ladies have. That is probably one of the most uncomfortable things, is because your body is so sensitive. And when I go in, I usually try to get all in one and done, over with. I wanted to be able to do it in the comfort of my own home, when I'm not on my period, in private. You can't beat that. Last thing that really excited me to invest in an at-home system was money. Money, honey. Everyone wants to save coin, and I do not blame you. So I did my research and I looked up a few laser centers surrounding me, and I got an average of what each thing would cost. So when I go, I usually get done my partial face, my underarms, half arm, bikini line, and sometimes full Brazilian. So let me give you the prices on average of what those are individually. Some centers do different packages each month, so you can buy like a package of 3 for da-da-da-da-da, just depending on what you want to spend. So for me personally, for my partial face, it would be around $30. For my underarms, it would be about $25. For half arms, it would be about $45. For my bikini line, you're looking at about $30. But if you want to do full Brazilian, it would be up to $50. Almost every time I was walking out spending about $150 every 4 to 6 weeks. No ma'am. When I really started budgeting that out, I was like, $150? I mean, beauty can be expensive. And then I was like, no, I need to find something that is gonna help me with my time, my comfort, and my money. And you guys, I think I found it. Here is what the packaging looks like. This is the Kenzzi laser hair removal at-home system. Comes in this cute little white box that opens up just like this. Fresh, brand new, girl. I ordered it, I wanna say a few days after I ordered it. They ended up sending me an email with a how-to, which I thought was really great to kind of prepare me beforehand. So I did a little bit of my research then. But they do have the starter guide for you. So in your package, you're gonna have your handheld system. Let's undo this here. Woo! So here it is, you guys. So cute. It's got Kenzzi on the front. It's got a nice little gold touch to it. Very sleek, white matte. Here's the back for the plug-in and also for the air to go through, y'all. Yeah, it's very lightweight. Here is the front for the laser. Very cute. A nice long cord. Just plugs in right there. Very simple. I like it, just 2 pieces. I really love the way that it looks. It's so pretty and sleek and chic, and that's what I like. Very simple. In the quick start guide, it gives you little bullet points of what you should do in preparation of it. It also goes through getting started with the machine. My experience was going in and what I would do to prepare. It's pretty much the same thing that's in here. You always want to exfoliate and shave. No lotion, no deodorant on, nothing. So you usually have like baby wipes to get yourself prepared for that. With the Kenzzi, they do say go ahead and take pictures beforehand so you can measure your results. The guide also provides some tips and tricks for you to do before, during, and after you do your laser hair treatment. But today, I'm just gonna go through this with you guys. I'm gonna plug this bad boy in and I'm just gonna do my half arm. We're gonna see how this goes. Now, usually in the center, they take out like a wax and they kind of map out on your arm where you should go. But I feel like that should be pretty easy to do for me. Let's hope. I have my plug up here. Ooh. Getting started. Kenzzi quick guide. All right, so it says plug in your Kenzzi handheld, press the green button on the back. Oh, it's blinking at us. That's nice. Do you guys hear that? You guys hear the fan back here? Ooh, the colors, it's like a disco ball in there. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a party. The button back here is also used to switch the intensity levels of your Kenzzi laser hair removal by pressing it. Blue lights on the front of your Kenzzi indicates the intensity level from 1 to 5. I'm gonna start with maybe a 2. We'll see how that goes. For best results, you want to use it on the level 5, but to test out beforehand is to go ahead and start at 1. Depending on your pain tolerance, 5 may be a little much. Be careful. All right, so before we start, I put lotion on my arm, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off with a wipe. I just use a baby wipe because you do not want any creams or lotions or anything on your skin. One thing they do tell you is to avoid any tattoos. I do have tattoos on my right wrist, and so I will be avoiding that, but I will be doing my right arm off camera, and I'll come back and give you a little bit more details. But right now, I'm just gonna do my left arm. I think that is golden. Let that dry. I started shaving my arms in college. I was so over it. You're gonna get little nicks and stuff. So when I moved to LA and I started lasering, I was like, I can do every part of my body. Definitely doing my arms. Okay, so we're gonna turn this back on. The green button. I'm gonna do level 2. So that's what it looks like. It's gonna blink at you a little bit. A little disco party for you guys. So it says the Kenzzi light window will flash pink when it is pressed directly against the skin. If the Kenzzi is not in direct contact with your skin, the light will not illuminate and the Kenzzi will not flash. So that's good. You press the pulse button to treat the area. It says you can treat the area multiple passes. Okay. Running the handheld over the given area a maximum of 3 times. Okay. Oh God, I do get myself all worked up when it comes to like going and getting laser hair removal because it is a laser. It is that little shock to your system. You can do it like this, yeah? Okay, let's start with the side. Ready, set, go. That is not bad at all. That was really light. I feel like maybe I should turn it up. I should turn it up, huh? Let's move it to 3. Let's move it to 4. Oh! Okay, I feel a little heat. That's another thing. When you do it, it's like a hot and then a cold sensation. All right. Oh, don't look at the light. Don't look at the light. Don't look at the light, which is hard. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. It is warm. It is warm, you guys. But it's not a bad feeling at all. All right. Let's go ahead. Let's just rotate. What did I just do? This is why they mark it off, Marissa. I think that was it. Sometimes you get a little hair on your hands. Might as well do that too. I'm just gonna look over and see if there are any areas that I might have missed. It's hard not to look at the light. I'm discovering that. I'm gonna go over a second pass and then I'm gonna do my other arm off camera and I will be right back. It's a little hot in here now. Arms are definitely warm. I went over both arms twice just to get that extra oomph. Make sure this hair is gone. Definitely do not want to have whatever area you have treated in the sunlight for about 24 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and use my aloe vera and place that on my arms because you are burning the hair follicle. So you do need a little something to cool that down. You are gonna have that little burnt hair smell throughout the day. It's pretty obvious. You just burnt the hell out of your hair. Okay guys, that's pretty much it with this system. I really, really, really like this. It was so easy. It didn't hurt at all. At home, in quarantine, in the safety, in the comfort of my own home, I was able to do it on my time. So this beautiful item does retail for $230. I pay about $150 almost every single time when I get all treatments done. Guys, this is worth the coin. This is worth the money to go and invest in this. It is so amazing. Honestly, I can't wait to see the results. They say with this one that you can use it once a week, which I think is really great. With lasering, like I said, it's either 4 to 6 weeks. They span that out. When the hair does grow back, you always just want to make sure that you gently exfoliate that hair. Don't shave over it again. Let it grow, take a little exfoliating glove, and just gently rub that area. Like I said, go ahead and take pictures. That way you guys can see the results while using this product. I can't wait to start doing my legs, my armpits, because nobody likes a 5 o'clock shadow under their armpits, honey. I love this product so far. My first impression was amazing. I definitely approve of it. I think the price is well worth it for the amount that you would spend at a laser center. So flipping excited. Oh my God. Being hairless, from the neck down, being hairless, I want that. Every part of it, I want it. Just give me thick eyebrows, thick hair, and I'm good, that's all. Let me know below what your experiences are when you've gone to a laser hair center. It was the OG, so I had to go for this one, and the price, you could not beat it. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Stay safe, wear your masks when you go out, because they are opening up states. Y'all need to be wearing your masks, you hear me? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.